Hello friends, my name is Abhinav Pandey. How are you? I'm sure you are good. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo soy Abhinav Pandey and Contado. Friends, I'm afraid and I'm feel very sorry that I can't upload videos uh, between 3 to 4 days because I'm extremely sick. That's why I can't upload the video. Now I'm fine, and let's start the journey of learning Spanish again. Vamos, empezó el tema. Let's start the topic. So, I have discussed on 27th of April, that is the Contando in Espanol from the counting 1 to 20. So, from today, I will give the counting from 21 to 40 numbers. So, what we say 21 to 40 in Spanish, number 1, 21. What we say 21 in Spanish? 21, 21. 22, 22, 22, 23, 23, 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 29, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30, 31, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, last 40, 40, 40. So friends, repeat with me once again. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, and last 40, 40. So friends, these are the counting numbers from 21 to 40. If you have any doubt regarding the pronunciation, then do let me know and I will correct you in this. So friends, if you like the video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any doubt regarding the pronunciation, then do let me know. I will correct you in that. Till then, adios, buenas noches, goodbye, good night.